My name is Brittany, and I just finished my first year at OVC. I did my undergraduate degree in biology at York University before I came to OVC. And in terms of veterinary medicine, my interests are small animals, exotic pets, and also wildlife. I have a really big soft spot for wildlife. But I haven't really decided exactly what I want to do yet, but I have lots of time to figure it out, and I'm super stoked to be at OVC. In terms of a tip for you guys, one thing that I wish I had known when I was starting the application process, or really backing it up, but when I was starting my undergrad, is actually what required courses they have to get into OVC. Not that that information is not available. You can easily get it off their website anytime. All the requirements are listed out there. My thing is just that when I started my undergrad, I wasn't really entirely sure that I wanted to be a vet, so I didn't really take the time to actually go look on their website, look at the required courses, and plan out my course calendar that way. So I wound up taking a lot of really hard courses that I completely didn't even need to get into OVC. I've always been the type of person to want to challenge myself and someone who really enjoys a challenge, but definitely over the last few years, if there's one thing I've learned, it's definitely work smarter, not harder. And if I had known that courses like calculus, physics, organic chemistry, analytical chemistry aren't required to get into OVC, I probably wouldn't have taken them. And I wound up spending a lot of time and stress on these courses that I didn't even need to. And if I had just known that they aren't needed and taking them wouldn't help my chances at all of getting in, I probably wouldn't have taken them. Probably could have made my GPA a little bit higher, and probably could have directed the extra time that I put into those courses into doing something that actually would help me have a better chance at getting into OVC, such as doing more volunteering with vets or more time in animal shelters, which is something that I didn't do a ton of in my first and second year of undergrad. So that's my tip for you. Hopefully you find it helpful. You can learn from my mistakes, and I look forward to hopefully getting the opportunity to meet and work with many of you very soon, and thank you for watching.